What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my vlog. My name is Leo, aka Blue EcoBoost, and I'm back here making another video for you guys. And the reason why I'm making this video is because I wanted to talk to you guys about like a problem that I have with my Mustang. And I've been keeping it on the down low because I don't know, I feel like there is a lot of criticism and stuff. Like, I mean, it's really not in our hands that this is gonna happen, but it happened. So what basically happened to my car was the oil leak came back, and it came back with a vengeance. I don't know if you guys remember, I had an oil leak like right at the timing belt cover, and I took it to the dealership. They fixed it, and then after they fixed it, like it came back like 3 weeks after. And the way it came back, it was like like something very simple, like like it was kind of like residue on the timing belt cover. And then there was some time that it was like that, and I took it back, and the guy told me, he's like, no, it's just like road grime and stuff, like it's dirt and shit that has been picked up from the ground and stuff as you're driving and stuff. So I was like, okay, you know what, it's fine, I'll keep it like that, and if something goes wrong, I said, I'll just bring it back and see what happens. All right, so time went by, and my car ended up having this ginormous oil leak. The whole timing belt cover was like covering oil. The whole front of the car was like covering oil. My timing belt was covering oil, so it was really, really bad. I'll show you the pictures. So then what I ended up doing was taking it to a mechanic that I knew like literally from across the street. And I talked to the guy. The guy told me, you know what, your car is still covered under warranty. You might have an extended warranty, so just give them a call. Take your car over to the dealership. That's what I ended up doing. I ended up calling. There was a nice service advisor that I had, and she told me, she's like, just bring it in. So I brought it in. I explained the situation to her, and she's like, you know what, just leave it. We're gonna work on it. Another thing, the dealership didn't give me a loaner, so I was literally driving my girlfriend's car, like like I was dropping her off and then going back, like to my job and stuff, and then she would have to, she have to stop by her parents because her parents on the way, and then I would have to pick her up. So it was kind of a mess, 5 days later, I received a call saying that the car would have been done, but something else went wrong with it, which was like a pump, like the brake pump or something like that. I don't know. At this point, I was already fed up. I was like, whatever you guys gotta do, just do it, So they call me the next day after, and they're like, your car is ready. So I come and pick it up, and finally it looked like they actually sealed the timing belt cover, so far it's been maybe, I will say, like around 3 months, actually 3 or 4 months, and I haven't had any. Actually, it hasn't been that long. It's been 2 months, and I haven't had any issues. So thank God, thank God that I haven't had any problems. But just so you know, guys, if you guys are planning on buying an EcoBoost Mustang, keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. It might happen, it might not happen. So just be ready for it. And if you guys do buy a new, getting extended warranty, it might come in handy. You never know when. But these cars are well known for that type of problems, the timing belt cover. So I'm just letting you guys know, take the advice from from another EcoBoost Mustang owner. And yeah, but thank you guys for watching me. If you guys like the video, please leave a like. If you guys want to leave a comment, always leave a comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel. I want to make more content, I want to get new parts for my car. I want to make it look cool and shit. And sorry for the word, I shouldn't be saying those curse words. So please subscribe. You know, you guys are welcome to subscribe, and just you know, keep up the good work. And I hope you guys have a blessed day, and peace.